In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change password on Dell Inspiron 15 3000 series. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up a password for any users on your Dell Inspiron 15 3000 series. For this method, we're going to use the control panel. So open the control panel and in here, access the user accounts category. When you click on user accounts, you will be able to see all of the accounts attributed to this machine, and you will be able to select manage another account. Now select the specific account that you would like to change the password for. When you click on any of these accounts, you will find three main options: change the account name, create or change the password, and then change the account type. In this case, we're going to go over to change password. Now you will notice that my account does not have a password, so in this specific example that I'm giving you, you would be able to find the option to change a pre-existing password. I cannot show you this on screen, I apologize, but the process is essentially the same. Once you click on Manage Password or Change Password, you will have the input fields, and then you can set up the new password that you want to use. You might be requested to include the current password, so go ahead and include it, and if you don't remember, there might be a way to get it back. So just follow the instructions listed on this page, and you will be able to get this done. With the new password set up, whenever you go to log in as this user on your Dell Inspiron, you will be prompted to include the password that you set up. You can even include a hint to make sure that you never forget that specific password, and you can manage any account currently attributed to this laptop. You will be able to repeat this as many times as you wish, and this usually is going to be the best option possible. You can try doing this through the Microsoft website, although this isn't recommended. I hope I was able to help you on how to change password in Dell Inspiron 15 3000 series. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.